In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your Usman, 2 IELTS trainer. Additionally, we've been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. My dear friends, today, once again, my lecture will be about reading subtest of the IELTS and about its important question type. That's matching, or in other words, matching paragraph information questions. So let's get started. In this task or in this question type, actually your ability will be tested. In what way? It tests your ability to identify opinions and theories. And actually you are to match what? Names of people against their theories, discoveries, or statements attributed to them. Now, letters of correct option has to be used. This is really important. So you need to write the letters of the correct options as your answers on your answer sheet. As far as this question type is concerned, there will be more options than questions. Make it clear. So there may be more options than questions. Therefore, it is possible that some options won't be used. On the other end, other options will be used more than once. It may be. So the instructions will make it clear, crystal clear, what needs to be done. Or one option will be used only once, or one option will be used more than once. So it all depends on the instructions. So be careful about the instructions. I always keep saying that instructions play a key role in finding out the answer appropriately. And now what kind of text will be involved? This question type may use discussion texts or opinions in a controversial topic manners. For example, the topics that arouse hot debate or controversies would be used in this question type. What is the best way to match or to meet the requirement of this question type, of this task actually? You got to match things against things. For example, you match events and discoveries against periods and timelines. And moreover, artists or the scientists are to be matched against their techniques. I would like to quote the example of Pablo Picasso here. He introduced a new style of painting technique that's known as cubism, using geometrical shapes. And Leonardo da Vinci actually introduced fumato technique, the artist who created a master blaster painting of Mona Lisa. So these people are, they have introduced certain techniques. Maybe in the question it is asked what these particular scientists have or the artists have introduced. So things have to be matched against the relevant things. Or maybe the earthquake scientists can be matched against their famous theories about earthquake forecasts, or the plants against their genetic features. One or two things are really important here. The order is always the main interest of ours. Actually, answers do not come in order here, but all paragraphs may not be used. Maybe only certain section of the passage is used for this particular question type. I hope it would have made a lot of difference in understanding this question type, and the more you understand the format or the pattern, the better it will be you would be prepared for the preparation, for the examination. So I always recommend my students to keep on understanding of each question type so that when you are going in the examination, you will be feeling confident and you will be having no surprises on the test day. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you on another uploaded video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.